If you are experiencing a verification pending status with PAHO/Who Federal Credit Union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from PAHO/Who Federal Credit Union. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that may be required for verification. This could include identification, proof of address, or any other relevant paperwork that the credit union might need. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to the customer support team of PAHO/Who Federal Credit Union. You can call or email them to inquire about the status of your verification and ask for any specific steps you need to take. Step 4. Submit additional information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SWAP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting any required information, follow up with customer support to confirm that your verification is being processed. This will help ensure that your account status is updated as quickly as possible. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If issues persist, consider reaching out for further assistance.